It's a rainy day out here. Oh, look at this. Here it comes. The wind, the rain. Woo! It has its own beauty. It's the middle of fall. The nice colors. Listen to that powerful wind. You know, it can't always be calm and sunny. I mean, you got to have a little diversity with the weather, right? Let's step out here for a minute. Woo. Oh yeah, the rain is coming down. I don't know if you can see it there. And whoa, getting my phone soaked here. We'll step back a little bit under shelter. Yeah, you know, it's kind of cool, folks. I'm not gonna lie. Powerful breeze, the rain, good stuff. Happy Sunday.